Hi, just to ensure that you understand how to post in a discussion, I wanted to make a quick little video about how to access them. The very first thing you should know about discussions is that you can access your assignments right here when you click on these, excuse me, corresponding with a due date, that these can actually link you to the exact assignment that you need to hand in or participate in. The other way to access discussions is in the discussion icon, as well as through content when you're reading through the activities. So what I've done is I've gone through and opened up a discussion so that I can show you exactly what to see. So when you look at your discussions, you will note that this one was unlocked, but that this particular discussion was closed on March 19th. Seeing that it's March 29th, you are no longer able to post or respond to anybody's post within this. So if you have missed the discussion activity, then you are unable to participate in that activity. So what I've done is I've opened up this particular discussion so that I can show you how to access it. So as I'm impersonating a student, I can simply click on the discussion to enter in. When I want to post and there's nobody else posting, all I do is start a new thread. And I enter in my subject and what I want to post. The other way that you can actually respond to posts is to click on the actual post that the student had and to respond to it. So there's a number of different ways that you can access discussions, but you can't access them if the due date is passed. Let me know if that helps you understand how to post in a discussion.